Hey guys, what's up? So I was gonna film like a longer makeup tutorial today because I haven't done one in a while, but I have so many things I need to do today that I just didn't feel like I would have time to do it properly. So I'm gonna show you guys a look that I've been wearing a lot on days, especially on weekends lately, where I just have a ton of stuff to do and I want to wear makeup. I don't want to have a lot of it on or take forever to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm going to use is the NYX Professional Makeup HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And I'm just going to put that in some strategic places. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on my chin and on any spotty areas I have. Normally I don't do this look as much when I have spots, or I'll use a different concealer. But this one does fairly well. Oh, and if I'm looking down, I have a mirror down here. As I've told you guys before, I'm still working on getting this room totally set up to do this stuff. And I'm also going to take this and put it under my eyes. As you know, I normally use it by my under eyes, but when I do this look, I like to use the same one for my whole face, just so that it looks the same, since I'm not going to be covering it much. I'm going to take a Sedona 928 brush and just blend all this. Make sure it's blended toward the neck so it doesn't look weird. And I'm sorry if my hair looks kind of like a mess. I also tend to do this on days where I'm really busy, just because it's quick and easy. And I also tend to bring this up on my eyelid just a little bit so that my eyelids don't look blue or red. Once I've done that, I take a little bit of the IT by Pores Pressed Powder and I just put that over the areas that I just used concealer. And I also put it all over my T-zone, even though I don't put concealer on the entire area. Because my T-zone is where I tend to get oil and stuff. So after I've done that, I take the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint and I just run this through my brows. This is one of the lighter ones that I have, so when I'm not going to do much other stuff, I prefer to use a lighter one. As always, if you guys have products that you prefer to use to do these looks, that's totally fine. These are just the ones that I tend to use. So after I've done that, I take the Urban Decay Cannonball Waterproof Mascara and I just put that on my tops and bottom lashes. This is one of my favorite waterproof mascaras I've bought. I would definitely buy this again. I actually ended up buying this for the wedding because Andrew's mom wanted a waterproof one. So I went ahead and got myself one as well when I found this one. And it is amazing. So once I've done that, I was debating between these two. Normally I've been using the IT Sugar salmon color. I try to go for a light look. I think normally I do a nudie look, but I couldn't get to that one today because Andrew's asleep and I'm really trying hard not to wake him, and all that stuff's in the bedroom. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Lips in, I don't even know what color this is in. It literally doesn't say what color this is, but it's the pinky shade. It's their pink one. I have no idea what color it is. I know I knew at one point. I have no idea anymore. I'm just going to put that on my lips. And this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. And let me know if you enjoy like shorter tutorials and like more simple tutorials or like more involved tutorials. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please leave me a comment. And also please subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!